Hello friends. Imagine you're driving on a hot summer day and suddenly your engine starts overheating, losing power, or even shutting down. You check the obd2 scanner and it shows code P0217 Engine Overtemp Condition. What does this mean and how can you fix it before serious engine damage occurs? Let's find out. Diagnostic trouble code P0217 means that the Engine Control Module, or ECM, has detected that the engine temperature is higher than normal. This could indicate cooling system failure, a stuck thermostat, or a faulty sensor. Symptoms of P0217 include engine overheating, warning light, loss of engine power, coolant boiling or steam from the radiator, reduced fuel efficiency, and possible engine misfires or shutdown. If ignored, this can cause head gasket failure, warped engine components, or even complete engine failure. To diagnose P0217, check these important components in the cooling system. The engine coolant temperature sensor, usually located near the thermostat housing or on the cylinder head, the thermostat, found inside the thermostat housing, typically near the radiator hose connection to the engine, the radiator fan and sensor, located on the radiator or controlled by the ECM, and the coolant level sensor, if your car has one, it's usually inside the coolant reservoir. A faulty ECT sensor or thermostat can prevent the cooling system from working properly, leading to overheating. The common causes of P0217 are low coolant level. If the coolant is leaking or too low, the engine can overheat. A faulty thermostat, a stuck closed thermostat won't allow coolant to flow, causing rapid overheating. A bad engine coolant temperature sensor, if the sensor sends incorrect temperature readings, the ECM may not activate the radiator fan in time. A failed radiator fan or relay, if the cooling fan doesn't turn on, the engine temperature will rise quickly, and water pump failure, a bad or leaking water pump can prevent coolant from circulating properly. Alright, here's how you can fix the P0217 error code. Step 1. Check the coolant level in the reservoir. If it's low, refill it with the correct coolant type. Also, look for leaks in hoses, the radiator, or the water pump. Step 2. Locate the thermostat and test it. If it's stuck closed, you'll need to replace it. Step 3. Inspect the ECT sensor using a multimeter. If the resistance is out of range, replace the sensor. Step 4. Test the radiator fan by turning on the AC. If the fan doesn't start, check its fuse, relay, or motor. And finally, Step 5. Examine the water pump for any leaks or damage. A failed pump needs immediate replacement. Ignoring the P0217 code can cause serious engine damage, expensive repairs, and even complete engine failure. Fixing this issue early ensures your car runs efficiently and safely. If you're unsure, consult a professional mechanic. Want to learn more about obd2 error codes? Check out these next videos. P0153, Oxygen Sensor Slow Response, Bank 2 Sensor 1, and P0154, Oxygen Sensor No Activity Detected, Bank 2 Sensor 1. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.